Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. In this video I'm going to be only explaining Daniela's part. So the first counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first, for the upper body, you're going to lift your right arm up and twist your hand down so it's looking downwards. And then with the left hand, you're going to just touch your right elbow. Okay, so your two hands are up. And you're going to move your hands from the center to the right side and leave it in the back. So just make kind of a circle from center to the back. And your hips are going to follow, so just move your hips from the center to the right side and leave it in the back. Okay, so just follow your hips along with your arms. So that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 5, take your arms down to the back, okay, to the back of your head like this. On 5, and kind of move your hip to the left side. Keep it there on 5, 6. Then on 7, 8. With your hands, take them to the front and kind of make a box. So right is up, left is just in front of your face like this, and move it to the right side. Then switch, now left is up and push it to the left side. So right, left. From here, you're going to move your hips along with your arms. So move your hips to the right and to the left. That's on 7, 8. Let's do a quick recap from the beginning. From 1, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after making your box, on 1, take your leg out, your right leg out, and move your hip to the right side. Then with your right arm, you're going to just like take it up, okay, like just take it out, follow along with your leg, and just keep your left hand just there, like follow along with me like this. That's on 1. So when it says conmigo se va, you're going to step out like this. And then when she says sus ojos, you're going to just twist your right hand like this and just keep it up. So then it says conmigo se va, then sus ojos, twist your right hand, son míos. For this part, just tilt your body to the left side. Okay, like just rest your body and tilt it to the left side. Okay, your body's going like this. Then just slide your left hand to your belly and your right arm, slide it under your chin. Just go under your chin and just move your hands all together, okay, at the same time. So se va, sus ojos son míos. And then when it says eso no va a cambiar, you're going to just take your left hand and place it next to your waist. And then your right hand is just going down like this. And just pose there. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more time. Conmigo se va. Sus ojos son míos. Eso no va a cambiar. Okay, just wait there. So now let's repeat from the very beginning with counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Hands up. 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pose. After this, next up is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you pose, take your right arm up as if you're holding shopping bags with your hands into fist like this. And just move your upper body, okay, just your upper body to the front. Just like twist your body. So from the back to the front. Make sure it's just your upper body, don't move your lower body. And like lean back. So from the back, move to the front. Okay, twist your body and like shake your shoulder, okay, to the front 3 times. So with your hand together, so with your hands on 1, boom, okay, then go to the back 1 more time, 1, boom, again to the back, and boom. Okay, now let's repeat from this part. 7, 8. You're gonna pause and 1, boom, and boom, okay, and wait for the next part. So one more time, from 7, 8 out, then pause and 1, boom, 2, boom. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, you're going to do it one more time, okay? One more last time, so it's 3 times. So, like just twist your body 3 times. 1, then 2, then 3. And when Danny says no, 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 take your right leg, take it to the back, left to the front like this. And like just stand facing to the right side. So from here, step and stand and face to the right side. Flex your knees down, left hand to your thigh, and right hand is going to go down and twist it from pinky to thumb like this. So from here, put your hand in the back. That's on 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing this 3 times, face the right side and 7, 8. So just flex your knees, face the right side, and look at the front. Let's do a recap from the beginning with the lyrics. So from the beginning, él llegó conmigo, then conmigo se va, sus ojos son míos y eso no va a cambiar. Pa to the back, pa to the back, pa, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So lower body first, take your right leg and kind of twist your knee like this. So then with the right, then switch to the left knee, then with the right knee and with the left knee. Okay, just switch your legs and just do that 4 times, okay? So from the beginning, right, switch, left, switch, right, switch, left. Now, every time you switch, you're going to take your right to the back, then left to the back, then right to the back, and left. You stand there. Okay, so right to the back, left to the back, right to the back, left to the back. Okay, like this. Just stand there. Now for the arm movement, your right hand is going to go up and just keep your left hand in front of you like this. So that's on the first movement. Left like this, right is going up. Then that's on right. Then when you switch to the left, switch your arms. So now right is going to be in front of you and left is going to go to the side. Okay, up. So right, then left, and then switch. Hands to your head on right. So from here, hands to your head when you switch to the right side and keep it there. You switch to the left side. So from the beginning and just hold it there. So right, left, switch, right, left. Let's repeat a little bit faster. So right, switch, left, switch, right, switch, left. One more time, faster. Right, switch, left, switch, right, switch, left. And please remember to move your hips every time you switch. Okay, so after this, next up, okay, after 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8. So after becoming a ballroom dancer, you're going to just step out. So left leg is going out and just do like an arm movement where your right arm is going down and up, and your left arm is going up and down. Okay, so all together, just do this kind of arm movement. Just follow along. So 1, 2, just step out. After taking your left leg out, you're going to turn. So that left leg is going to step to the front. From there, turn and face the left side. One more time. Left, step, turn to the left side. Then your hand is going to make another hand movement. Just follow along. So from there, right is going down, left is going up, right is going up, left is going down. Just follow along with me, okay? So from here, just switch, and please make sure you end up with your right arm up and your left arm down. So the arm movement, just follow along. From here, right down, left up, right down, like this, okay? So 1, 2, turn, and end up like this. Right up, left down. And to face the front, just make sure to like put your left up and right down. Okay, just do one hand movement. Okay, just one more. So from here, switch your arms and look to the front and step right, left. Okay, one more time. From here, we're gonna go out, then turn, then face to the front and step right, left. This part can be really confusing, so just make sure to practice all the time, okay, till you get it. So after we step, let's do a quick recap from the second half from this part. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is after 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the first 4 counts, you're going to roll your hip, okay, from the right side to the left 2 times, okay? Roll and roll. So the first one, you're going to roll up. The second one, roll down. So up, down. On 1, 2, hands to your head. 1, 2. Then on 3, 4, hands are going to go down to your thighs. Okay, 3, 4. Like this. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then move your body to the right side first. So roll to the right side to a body wave to the right side, then switch to the left. So just wave to the right, to the left. Then your arms are going to go all the way up, okay, and follow. So from here, 3, 4, then 5, 6, on 7, 8 to the left side. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after arms being up there, we're going to go down, down, down. So put your legs together, face the left side, hands to your knees, and just bring out your booty out, okay, like this. So after facing the left side, gonna go down, 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 and on 4, lift your body up. Then on 5, move your head to the left side, face the front, move your head to the left side, to the left, to the right, and then to the left. So from here, 4, 5, 6, and on 7, 8, your hands are going to cross in front of your body like this, hands out, then close them, okay, on 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 7, 8, you're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, you're going to just continue with the chorus, okay? Now let's repeat from this part, okay? So with counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.